Alright, so hopefully you guys can see me. So today I was going to make a video about something cool, but instead I've just been doing nothing around the house, so I was going to make a video like from when I woke up, but I went out to eat, so I got back and just kind of watching TV shows and eating snacks and stuff like that. So anyway, so today's video is not going to be something cool, which I'm sorry that I let you guys down. Um, so what I have in mind is just to talk about basically a couple things. First of all, I'm frustrated because one, I feel like I'm just putting out content that isn't the best. Like in the fact that like I know I have to make a video every day and I have to choose a subject and I have to shoot it and edit it and upload it all in one day, and I'm kind of screwed myself because of make a video every day in that sense. But in this sense it's good because I know what I gotta do and I gotta do it. But so I'm frustrated in the sense that I don't have enough time as I would like to make a higher quality project or stuff like that. Sometimes my content is like repetitive and stuff like that. So anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching and sticking around. So I really wish I could do a bunch of car stuff and stuff like that, but one, I don't got anywhere to do that or store cars, and two, yeah, that's just not happening right now. So anyways, that's what I wish I could do, is like have a place to work on cars or something like that, just get into the car scene a little bit more. But other than that, basically just don't compare yourself with other people, like in the sense that, oh, you wish you had like 1,000,000 followers or whatever and your videos got 1,000,000 views every couple days or whatever. So just don't compare yourself to someone that's already like in their 20th chapter when you're on your first or second chapter just getting started. So just don't compare yourself to people that are already been doing it for so long. Like obviously everyone wants to be super successful and not work for it, but that's usually not how it works. So just know that you got to work for it and it takes time. So just a little heads up there for you, or I don't know where I'm going with this, but anyways, I'm gonna try to make some cool videos, but just know that I'm trying, and it's about 2 months into my year of making daily videos, and I enjoy it, but right now I'm just kind of frustrated that I can't put out the kind of stuff that I want or this kind of quality that I want. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching and sticking around. The plan is to make better videos, make better content, better whatever, better everything. So anyways, I appreciate it, and thanks for sticking around. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna try to do that computer build video. That was the plan for today, but I just didn't get to it, so I am sorry I let you guys down, but it is coming. I don't know if I should just try to go through it. It's like 2 hours worth of footage. If I should just go through it and try to edit it all out into smaller bits, which will still be a really long video, or if I should just like slap a huge time lapse over it and just do a beginning to end and not have any like actual like talking and stuff like that. If I should just throw music over it. So let me know what you want. Kevin, this is basically for you, but anyone else, let me know what kind of video you want about my YouTube computer build video. So with that being said, leave me a comment down below what you want to see on the channel. I still have some huge video list of ideas, but this is all I had for today because everything takes time to shoot and edit and all that good stuff. So with that being said, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you in the next one.